10 doctor-ignored foods that can reverse fatty liver naturally and melt belly fat too. Your liver is under constant attack, and chances are, no one's warned you. Right now, over 1 in 3 adults is walking around with hidden liver damage, and most don't even know it. The silent culprit? Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. It's now the #1 liver disorder worldwide, and in the US, it's about to become the leading reason for liver transplants. But here's the twist. You don't need expensive cleanses, trendy detox kits, or dangerous juice fasts to fix it. Because science has revealed something your doctor may not be telling you. Certain everyday foods, backed by clinical studies, can actually reverse fatty liver and help your body detox naturally. Welcome back to Holistic Habits, where we break down the latest science and natural remedies to help you take control of your health and heal from the inside out. Today, you're going to discover 10 of the most powerful foods for liver repair, inflammation reduction, and metabolic reset, plus a few surprising bonus tips that could change your health trajectory for good. Make sure to stick around till the end, because the #1 most effective liver healing nutrient isn't a fruit or a vegetable. It's something you've likely been missing for years. Food #1, omega-3 fatty acids, fat that fights fat. If there's one fat your liver needs more of, it's this. Unlike the harmful fats that clog your liver, omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon, sardines, and mackerel, actually help burn stored liver fat and lower inflammation. People with NAFLD often have low omega-3 levels, and restoring them can kickstart metabolic repair. A meta-analysis of 10 randomized trials found omega-3s significantly reduced liver fat, triglycerides, and liver enzymes, clear signs of less damage. Even imaging showed leaner, healthier livers in people taking fish oil. The magic? EPA and DHA, the 2 essential omega-3s. They improve insulin sensitivity, switch on fat-burning genes, and lower inflammation that leads to scarring. One large study found that people who regularly took omega-3s had a 29% lower risk of developing liver disease. A massive drop for such a simple habit. How to use it? Eat wild fatty fish 2 to 3 times a week, or take a quality fish oil supplement with at least 1,000 milligrams of EPA plus DHA daily. Up next, a golden kitchen spice that's gone head-to-head with medications, and in some studies, actually reversed liver fat even better. Food #2, curcumin, the golden spice that heals from the inside out. Turmeric isn't just a trend. It's one of the most powerful liver healing compounds ever studied. The credit goes to curcumin, its active ingredient. In clinical trials, even small doses slashed liver fat by up to 80% in just 8 weeks. That's not a typo. Patients also saw big drops in liver enzymes, blood sugar, and triglycerides. Huge wins for anyone with NAFLD. So how does it work? Curcumin calms inflammation, boosts fat metabolism, and improves insulin sensitivity, the root cause of fatty liver. One meta-analysis found curcumin users were 3.5 times more likely to reverse NAFLD than those on placebo. But there's a catch. Curcumin isn't easily absorbed on its own. You'll need black pepper, which boosts absorption by up to 2,000%, or a high bioavailability supplement. Taking it with fat also helps, since curcumin is fat-soluble. How to use it? Cook with turmeric and black pepper, or take a daily curcumin supplement that's designed for absorption. Next up, a simple drink that fights oxidative stress and visibly melts liver fat. Confirmed by CT scans. Food #3, green tea. The ancient brew that melts liver fat, like ice in the sun. It may look like just a warm cup of tea, but inside every sip of green tea is a compound so potent, scientists say it can literally melt liver fat from the inside out. That compound is EGCG, a powerful catechin that tells your liver to stop storing fat and start burning it. In one clinical study, patients with fatty liver drank high catechin green tea daily for 12 weeks. The result? Liver fat visibly shrank on CT scans. Not just blood tests, imaging. ALT levels dropped, oxidative stress plummeted, and the liver began to regenerate. Most impressive? Every single person in the green tea group improved. So why is EGCG so powerful? It acts like a metabolic coach, reducing inflammation, boosting fat metabolism, and blocking new fat cell formation in the liver. It also supports autophagy, your body's natural detox and repair system, especially at night when the liver does its heavy lifting. But here's what most people miss. You'd need multiple strong cups a day to match study doses. And megadosing green tea extract? That can backfire and irritate the liver. So moderation matters. For most, 2 to 3 cups of strong green tea daily, especially in the evening, is a gentle, effective way to restore liver balance. Next, a stinky kitchen staple that might hold the key to reversing fatty liver and high cholesterol at the same time. Food number 4, garlic, the pungent powerhouse that detoxes more than just your breath. It's strong, it's smelly, and it might be one of the most underrated weapons against fatty liver disease. Garlic contains unique sulfur compounds, like allicin and S-allylcysteine, that act like tiny janitors inside your liver. In a double-blind study, patients with NAFLD who took garlic supplements showed a visible drop in liver fat on imaging. ALT and AST enzymes plummeted, cholesterol improved, and inflammation cooled, all without changing their diet. What makes garlic different? It doesn't just reduce liver fat. It tackles the entire metabolic storm behind it. From insulin resistance to high triglycerides, garlic helps reset the system. And there's more. Studies show people who eat raw garlic more than 7 times a week have significantly lower odds of developing fatty liver. Garlic may boost liver detox enzymes and support bile production, crucial for flushing out fat-soluble toxins. Worried about the smell? Aged garlic extract capsules are odorless and used in clinical research with great results. Next, a familiar spice you probably sprinkle on oatmeal. But hiding inside is a blood sugar balancing molecule that may mimic real medication. Food number 5, cinnamon, spicing up insulin sensitivity and liver repair. Cinnamon isn't just a cozy kitchen spice. It's one of the most overlooked liver healing tools hiding in plain sight. Behind its sweet aroma is a polyphenol powerhouse that mimics insulin, reduces blood sugar spikes, and fights oxidative stress that damages liver cells. In a 12-week clinical trial, NAFLD patients taking just 1.5 grams of cinnamon daily saw major drops in liver enzymes, ALT, AST, and GGT, as well as improvements in blood sugar, triglycerides, and inflammation markers like CRP. All from a spice you probably already have in your pantry. How does it work? Cinnamon helps cells absorb glucose more efficiently while calming the immune system's inflammatory attack on liver tissue. It's like flipping the metabolic switch, without the crash from sugar or carbs. But here's the part most people miss. Not all cinnamon is created equal. If you're using it regularly, choose Ceylon cinnamon. It's lower in coumarin, a compound that can stress the liver in large amounts. Cassia, the common kind, is okay occasionally, but Ceylon is the safer long-term option. Coming up next, a plant compound so effective at reversing insulin resistance and lowering liver enzymes, some researchers call it nature's metformin. Food number 6, berberine, nature's metformin for liver and blood sugar. If there's one natural compound Big Pharma wishes you didn't know about, it's berberine. This golden yellow plant extract has earned comparisons to metformin for a reason. Study after study shows it can lower blood sugar, reduce triglycerides, drop liver enzymes, and shrink fatty liver volume. No prescription needed. So how does it work? Berberine activates AMPK, your body's metabolic master switch. Once flipped on, your liver burns fat instead of storing it. Blood sugar falls, insulin resistance improves, and inflammation cools from the inside out. In one study, berberine dropped HbA1c by nearly 2 full points in 3 months, on par with diabetes meds. Another showed significant reductions in ALT and AST, along with better cholesterol and weight. But here's the catch. Berberine isn't a magic bullet. It works best when taken consistently. 1,000 to 1,500 milligrams daily, split with meals. Take too much too fast, and you might get mild digestive upset. Still, for anyone with fatty liver, insulin resistance, or type 2 diabetes, berberine remains one of the most powerful natural solutions available. Next, an ancient herb used for over 2,000 years to protect the liver, now backed by modern science. Food number 7, milk thistle, the ancient shield that still stands strong. This thorny purple flower has been used for over 2,000 years to heal the liver, and modern research proves the ancients were onto something. Milk thistle's secret weapon is silymarin, a potent blend of antioxidants that acts like armor for your liver cells. It doesn't just reduce inflammation, it blocks scar tissue formation or fibrosis, which is what turns fatty liver into cirrhosis. In one clinical trial, high-dose silymarin was given to patients with biopsy-confirmed liver disease. After 48 weeks, nearly 1 in 4 showed real reductions in liver stiffness and fibrosis, compared to just 1 in 50 on placebo. What sets it apart? While some nutrients focus on fat burning or insulin, milk thistle works like a repair crew, regenerating damaged liver cells and slowing the progression of fibrosis. And unlike harsher drugs, it's extremely safe, even at higher doses. To get results, choose a high-absorption formula like silymarin phytosome and take it consistently. Changes take time, but they do happen. Coming up next, a fat-soluble antioxidant so effective, liver specialists now recommend it to reverse inflammation at the cellular level. Food number 8, vitamin E, the antioxidant that fights liver damage from the inside out. Imagine tiny sparks of inflammation hitting your liver, day after day, year after year. Over time, those sparks become a fire. That's oxidative stress, and it's one of the main drivers behind liver scarring and NAFLD. The good news? Vitamin E acts like a fire extinguisher, quenching damaging free radicals before they burn your liver from the inside out. In a landmark trial, fatty liver patients without diabetes took 800 IU of vitamin E daily for nearly 2 years. The results? Liver inflammation dropped, scarring slowed, and nearly half reversed NASH, the aggressive form of fatty liver. And that's not an outlier. Meta-analyses show the same pattern. Vitamin E lowers liver enzymes, improves insulin resistance, and even softens fibrosis. It's so effective, major liver associations now recommend it for non-diabetic NASH patients. But here's the catch. Dosage and form matter. Use natural D-alpha tocopherol, not synthetic. And never megadose without medical guidance, especially if you have diabetes. Still, for the right person, vitamin E isn't just helpful. It can heal. Next, a gut-based remedy that doesn't just improve digestion, it rewires liver metabolism from the inside out. Food number 9, probiotics, the gut fix that could save your liver. Your liver might be in trouble, and your gut could be to blame. When your gut is overrun with bad bacteria, it creates microscopic leaks in the intestinal wall. These leaks allow toxins and inflammatory compounds to spill into your bloodstream, and your liver takes the first hit. This is the gut-liver axis, one of the most overlooked causes of liver inflammation and fatty liver disease. That's where probiotics come in. Studies show the right strains, especially Lactobacillus and Bifidobacterium, can calm gut inflammation, seal the gut barrier, and stop the toxic overflow. A major review of 20-plus clinical trials found probiotics consistently lowered liver enzymes, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced liver fat, and even supported weight loss. In simple terms, probiotics rebalance your gut, ease the liver's burden, and switch off inflammation at the source. So if your liver feels sluggish, your digestion is off, or you're constantly bloated, it might not just be your diet. It could be your microbiome. Up next, a centuries-old folk remedy you've definitely heard of. But the science behind its liver healing power might surprise you. Food number 10, apple cider vinegar. The folk acid with real metabolic firepower. It's sharp, it's sour, and it just might save your liver. Apple cider vinegar. ACV has been praised for centuries as a natural remedy. But now science is catching up. And what it reveals is shocking. This common kitchen staple can reduce blood sugar, improve cholesterol, and shrink fat cells, all critical for reversing fatty liver. ACV contains acetic acid, which helps lower insulin resistance and boosts the expression of genes that torch fat inside your liver. In studies, people who took just 1 to 2 tablespoons a day saw reductions in body fat, fasting glucose, and even LDL cholesterol, all major players in liver damage. Even more fascinating, in animal models, ACV/liver fat and suppressed inflammation-related genes. While large-scale human trials are still in progress, early data is promising, and the potential metabolic impact is hard to ignore. Just don't drink it straight. ACV is highly acidic. Always dilute it in water to protect your teeth and throat. Now, those were the heavy hitters. But we're not done yet, because a few everyday foods and habits didn't make the top 10, but deserve an honorable mention for the way they quietly protect your liver, one sip at a time. Here are 5 bonus, liver-saving foods and habits you shouldn't ignore. Let's tie it all together with 5 underrated tools that quietly reinforce everything you've learned. First, ginger. Not just for nausea. It lowers ALT, calms insulin resistance, and blocks inflammatory signals that drive liver damage. Just 2 grams a day can make a difference. Next, coffee. Unsweetened, black, and powerful. People who drink 2+ cups daily have significantly lower risk of fibrosis and cirrhosis. It activates detox enzymes and suppresses scar tissue. Third, resveratrol. Found in red grapes and wine, this antioxidant activates longevity genes and reduces liver enzymes, inflammation, and insulin resistance. Think of it as metabolic insurance. Fourth, vitamin D. Most NAFLD patients are deficient, and low levels are tied to worse outcomes. Supplementing may improve liver enzymes, insulin sensitivity, and inflammation. And finally, choline. Without it, fat gets trapped in your liver. Most people don't get enough. Eggs and liver are rich sources, but supplementation can help too, especially for vegans. Each one of these supports your liver from a different angle. Together, they build the foundation for real healing. If you've made it this far, then you already know. Fatty liver doesn't have to be a life sentence. The truth is, your liver isn't broken. It's overwhelmed. And the same lifestyle that pushed it into crisis can also pull it out. One meal, one habit, one choice at a time. So let me ask you, are you struggling with stubborn belly fat, brain fog, or fatigue that won't go away? Have you been told your liver numbers are a little high, but never told what to do about it? Which one of these remedies or foods feels like your first small but powerful step? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one. And as a thank you for sticking with me through this entire journey, I've put together a free liver recovery starter guide. A simple, science-backed blueprint with foods, drinks, and daily tweaks that actually help reverse fatty liver. It's completely free, and it's yours right now. Just check the link in the description. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this wake-up call, because most people don't get help until it's too late. Here at Holistic Habits, we believe your body wants to heal. And your liver? It just needs the right tools. So drink up, nourish it, and let the healing begin tonight. Thanks for watching.